friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. So in this video I'll try to do a video on the time taken to install the Realme UI 2.0 update in this Realme X7 Pro, as you can see friends. So right now I did download the Realme UI 2.0 update. So this is a part 2 update which I have received just today only, and it is a stopwatch which I already started, as you can see friends. So right now the process is also going on, the installation process. So this is what I'll be doing every time I get the update. I'll try to make a video how much time it actually takes, and this is a message which is displaying on the screen as well. So this stage is about 2 minutes, as you can see. So with this kind of update, there's a couple of things to know. So two things. First is the main point, whether the charging problem is solved or not. So that is the most important thing to see in this phone. So that is what I did face in this phone, the charging issues. So after updating to the Realme UI 2.0, there was a couple of charging issues happened in this phone, friends. So that is the reason why I'm waiting for the next update to fix this kind of things. But definitely it got fixed. Hopefully it should get fixed. But I'll try to do another video. But meanwhile, I thought of doing this kind of video, friends, how much time it actually takes to install. This update size is of 733 MB is the size of this update. It's not too big, so only 733 MB, and it came on 26th April, so not too long ago. So finally I got some time to spend this with this mobile phone, and then I realized there's an update in the settings. So then I thought of making a video on this topic, and hopefully the charging speed should be kind of fixed. And in case if you are curious about the Realme UI 2.0, so make sure to check this playlist, friends, which are created for the Realme UI 2.0. That playlist will give you the clear idea about Realme UI 2.0 and all the settings and all the details. So you'll get a perfect idea about the Realme UI 2.0 features. And right now it's going on the process, as you can see, friends. So 1/6 stage, you can clearly see how much time it's taking. So it took about 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Right now it's close to 3 minutes of time. It's still at 1/6 stage. So in this stage about 1 minute. Now it moved to the 2/6 stage, as you can see, friends, clearly. So in this stage about 4 minutes, it's saying estimated time, as you can see, friends. And this is how the installation process is right now happening in this phone. So let's see how much more time this phone actually takes, and make sure to comment below, friends, what are the problems you are facing with the Realme UI 2.0, and definitely I'll do my best to cover a video on that topic as well very soon. So right now I'm facing two problems. One is a battery draining problem and charging problem as well in this phone. So let's see whether they fixed that kind of problem or not in this kind of update. So again, I'll be back once the installation process gets close to some kind of maybe 6/6 or 5/6 at that time. So we'll get to know the total time, how much it has been taken. As you can see, friends, right now we did reach the 6/6 stage as well in this phone, and it's been 7 minutes of continuously still initializing in this phone, as you can clearly see in the Realme X7 Pro. So right now the logo has been booted, as you can see. So as soon as I see the lock screen, then I'll try to stop the stopwatch. So then we'll calculate how much time it actually taken to completely install this kind of Realme UI update. So as I said, the update size is only 700 MB, and right now it took about 7 minutes and 30 seconds still. So still the Realme logo is here only, as you can see, friends, clearly. And as soon as once the update has been done, I'll try to do the charging test as well. So right now the update is completely installed, as you can see, friends. So this is a new update which has been there, and let me try to show you the screenshot before actually updating. So I did take the screenshot to show you the size. So it is a screenshot, friends, which I have taken before updating. So as you can see here, the 733 MB is the size of the update, and this is when I received. It was 26th April, and Android 11 update, as you can see. These are the details. So these are the few things, friends, and that's it for this video, and this is the time taken to completely install the process. And thank you, friends, for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more details, and see you in the next video, friends. Definitely I'll do the charging test as well after this update to check whether the battery is fixed or not, charging speed. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.